and welcome to the IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use the mean spectral filter in IDQ Pro. This filter removes spectral noise in the entire data cube by averaging nearby bands or channels. This filtering is global and will be retained for all other functions and algorithms. To start, you'll want to go to Select Filtering and Enhancement and go to Mean Spectral Filter. After completion, click OK and visualize the filtered image. The filtered image can be returned to the original by using the Remove All Filters and Enhancements, or by clicking the Reset button. But note, the Reset button is global and will revert all changes that you've made previously.